I'm Robert here at the REN meeting with Elliott Hallum, one of our past presidents. Elliott is a licensed agent. Some people call those realtors, but Elliott's got a lot of background, a lot of knowledge, and does our monthly market updates. Elliott, tell us, what is your name?
Elliott Hallum.
And what types of investing do you do?
Residential and commercial rentals.
Rentals, is that like buy and hold rentals?
Buy and hold rentals, yeah.
Typically not lease options, not some other
Nothing
strategy?
fancy, just typical tenant, long-term tenants in place.
Long-term tenants, so not even short-term, not medium-term,
No.
just put them in there and let them stay a long time.
That's the goal.
So that's simple, passive, ongoing monthly income over and over and over and over, right?
That's right.
That sounds boring.
It sounds boring, but there are times where it's exciting as well, but exciting in a bad way.
So boring is good.
Boring is very good.
Elliott, how long have you been interested in real estate investing?
I got interested in 2010, so almost 15 years ago.
Wow,
Yeah.
outstanding. Elliott, what is your best piece of advice to someone who wants to get started in real estate investing?
You're not going to know all the answers. You're going to make mistakes, but you can overcome them. And being a member of REN is the most valuable thing because you can have people to get advice from and help you solve your problems.
So rely on a community. Join
Rely
a
on a
community and engage.
community, build your network, and expect that you won't know it all. And this is coming from experience in my own investing.
So even after 15 years, you don't know it all.
I still make mistakes, and I still have days where I regret doing something, but I can overcome that through help from my team of experts and friends.
Outstanding. Elliott, what's your advice for someone who wants to get to the next level in real estate investing? Maybe they've got some experience, maybe they're not sure where to go next, how to amp it up to the next level. What would you tell them?
I try to find a room where I'm one of the least knowledgeable people in the room, and
Is that like be the dumbest guy in the room?
being that person in the room and also finding that person who's already doing what I want to do and model their behavior. So that's
Okay.
my advice to somebody wanting to get to the next level is maybe do some free work for somebody to say, how can I help you so that I might be able to learn from what you do on a day-to-day, and then just model their behavior. Or read their books even, if I couldn't get in a room with that person or want to get to the next level.
That's a really good point. Read books from people that you want to be like. I love that. Elliott, what would you say an investor should avoid?
I think the most thing to avoid is assuming that somebody's telling you the thing is you need to do your own due diligence. That's the biggest mistakes I've made in real estate is taking someone's advice on something without necessarily double checking that, not trusting, not verifying, but trust them but verify.
Right.
And make sure that it is as they say it is.
Trust but verify.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Elliott. We
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Thanks for having me, Robert. Cheers.